Hi artists! The purpose of this video is to walk you through how to create a Fauvism art piece using a image from Google. So here I am in Sketchpad. I'm going to click on a new tab and I'm going to search for a Google image. You could do something like a celebrity. So for example, Ariana Grande. Go to images, select what image you want to use. You're going to right click, copy image, then go back to Sketchpad and you're going to paste the image. Command C, or you could right click and paste. So now let me zoom out and I'm going to resize the image to fit my canvas. Now I'm going to go to the paint bucket. When I click on the paint bucket, it says vector fill. I'm going to drop down the caret and click pixel fill. Now I can change the color of my fill. Remember that Fauvism was all about bright, expressive colors. So I want to choose bright, expressive colors. So maybe I'll choose a pink. And when I click, it's going to fill in a section or a pixel. I can change the color. So maybe I want to do yellow or green, or maybe I like that pink. Now I'm going to go back to pixel fill and I'm going to change the color for this part of her face. And I can keep changing the color so that I really create that expressive work of Fauvism. So I'm going to keep clicking and I'm going to fill in all of these areas. I'm going to go back to that pink. And I want to really fill in most of the areas. Now notice I'm only filling in her, not the background. Add some, get some of that dark blue in there. Now I also want to make sure that I do her eyes so that I can clearly see that this is a person. So I'm going to do that lighter blue. I can do her eyebrows and her ear. So now when I go up here to that stack of paper or layers, I'm going to click on layers and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom where it says image. And I'm going to click on the eye. When I click on the eye, it takes the background image away. Now notice I didn't fill in her mouth, so I'm going to click the image back on and I'm going to go back to pixel fill. Maybe I'll do red. I'll unclick the image again. And now I'm going to go back to the paint bucket and this time I'm going to do vector fill, which is going to fill in the background. And I'm going to select black. So now I have a black background. You may decide I want to keep it a white background, or maybe you want to do a radial burst for the background. Maybe you want to do a linear background. So it is up to you, and then you can also shift those lines. And now I've created my Fauvism art piece. I hope this video was helpful.